Yeah. No more borders, no more home. They tore the flags down, sold out the land. Now the streets don't speak my language, and the church bells, they barely ring. Let's go. Yo, it started with a whisper from the EU hall. Said, drop your borders, build bigger malls. Let the people in, don't ask where they from. But some ain't coming here to join, they coming to run. Erase your history, burn down the scroll. Replace your symbols, give up control. Culture swap in the dead of night. Your kids don't know if wrong means right. Currency's common, values ain't. They talk intolerance but feeding hate. Preaching peace while the churches fade, and the anthem plays in a foreign parade. No more borders, no more home. No place left where I belong. They open wide the gates too far. Now strangers rule beneath our stars. This land was built on blood and stone. Now they tear it down, we stand alone. No more borders, no more home. We're drifting in the great unknown. Hair unknown. Global elites with their champagne plans. From Davos to DC, blood on their hands. One world order, one world coin. But they forgot that a soul don't join. They hate our God, they shame our cross. They laugh while watching us take the loss. They want us divided, skin tone war, while they cashing in on the migrant store. Europe cities ain't what they were. Now churches ride the silent stirs, trying to speak truth. They call it a crime, but I ain't backing down, not this time. No more borders, no more home. No place left where I belong. They open wide the gates too far. Now strangers rule beneath our stars. No pride, no peace, just lies on repeat. No roots, no truth, just boots on the street. This land was built on blood and stone. Now they tear it down, we stand alone. No more borders, no more home. We're drifting in the great unknown. They said it's compassion, but it feels like erasure. We're not against the people, we're against the erasing of a nation. Stand, hold the line. Leftists pushing that Lenin dream, while the real world rips at the seams. They call it progress, I call it war. We gave them a key, now they're breaking the door. You can't import folks who hate your soul, then act surprised when they take control. They don't conform, they aim to reign, while our leaders kneel into fiends. No more borders, no more home. We watched it fall like ancient Rome. The flag's still there, but the soul's long gone, and the church bells barely ring a song. We prayed, we warned, but they shut their ears. Now the end is close, you can smell the fear. No more borders, no more home. Reach earth and meal agree.